took my car. Okay. I'm gonna get a new car. What did you hit? Nothing. I didn't hit another car. I just kind of went off the road. And it fucked my whole car up. I'm so fucking pissed. I don't know, it's stupid. I was driving, and there was a bunch of, like, stuff on the side of the road on the right, so I swerved out of the way to avoid it. And while I was swerving out of the way to avoid it, I hit the curb, and it destroyed my front right tire. I was not high. I really wasn't. Dude, I don't know how to explain it, bro. 100 times in my mind, I saw that happening. And every time I saw it, I was like, no, I will not let that happen. I will not let that happen. Sure enough, it happens. Fuck! They took my key. A DUI. No. I got a speeding ticket and reckless driving, I think. I had it right here. Where is it? Mom. Mom. Turn what off? I'm not. What? Turn what off? That was a dumb idea. Yeah, can someone please tell me where my fucking vapes are? I'm moving everything around looking for it. Always trying to gaslight me. You're always moving your stuff around. Whatever. All I'm trying to do is find my vape and my nicotine vape. That's all it is. And she's acting like I'm fucking accusing her of stealing them.
Give me my vape.
Huh?
Give me my vape.
Really?
Yes.
You're not gonna let me use it?
No, it's mine.
What time is it? It's set. Alright, you know what? Whatever. You said I could. In the past, you said I could.
In the past, not today.
I'm so.
Don't.
I'm sober.
Don't.
I am sober.
I'll get shit with
I don't understand.
If you want to go, stop it. Stop it.
Fuck you.
Alright, I won't go.
We are.
No, we ain't.
Yes, we are. Alright, chat, we're about to leave. Hold on. God damn it! And I still can't find my fucking THC vape. Whatever. Where did I put the fucking vapes?